Dear children, we are providing you maths assignment for class 7 today so that you can practice more numericals at home. You can do this assignment in any of your rough copy, diary or on the pages also. As the school will reopen, we will collect this assignment from you. Let's see the assignment. Now children, I am reading the questions for you and explaining few questions also. Question number 1, add minus 31 and minus 25. Question number 2, subtract minus 9 from minus 5. Here you have to understand which will be minus and which will be subtrahend. The sum of two integers is minus 11. If one of them is 9, find the other. Question number 4, you have to simplify 16 into minus 9 plus minus 8 into minus 9. Here we will use distributive law of multiplication over addition. Question number 5, evaluate minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. How many times? 301 times. You have to evaluate it. Question number 6, evaluate minus 336 divided by minus 21. Question number 7, you have to convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction. Question number 8, divide minus 132 by 12. Question number 9, fill in the blanks. 39 we have here we have to find out that by which number we will divide 39 so that we can get our answer minus 1. Question number 10, what should be subtracted from minus 1 to get minus 6? Question number 11, evaluate minus 90 divided by minus 15. Question number 12, what should be added to 15 2 upon 3 to get 18 5 upon 6? Here we have to find out that what should be added to 15 2 upon 3. You have to find out the required number. So what you will do in that case, you will subtract 18 5 upon 6 and 15 2 upon 3. 13th question, you have to simplify 5 upon 9 minus 7 upon 12 plus 1 upon 2. You have to find out the LCM and then you are going to simplify it. Question number 14, simplify 14 upon 25 multiply 35 upon 51 multiply 34 upon 49. Here you will find out if there is any common factor in the numerator and denominator, and then you are going to multiply the left numerators by numerator and denominator by denominator. Then question number 15, find 4 upon 5 of an hour. Question number 16, a book consists of 216 pages. During last week, Vikas read 3 upon 4 of the book. How many pages did he read? You will first take out the number of pages Vikas read, that is 3 upon 4 of 216. Then you will find out how many pages did he read. 17th question, it's also a word problem. Renu spends 4 upon 5 of her income on household expenses. Her monthly income is given. How much does she save every month? First you will find out how much money Renu spent. 4 upon 5 of rupees 30,000. Then you will find out the saving by subtracting the income and the whatever money Renu spent. Write down the reciprocal of 3 5 upon 8. You can simply find it out the improper fraction, then you can write down the reciprocal also. Question number 19, divide 4 2 upon 7 by 2 2 upon 5. First you will change it into improper fraction, then you are going to divide it. Question number 20, by what number should 6 2 upon 9 be multiplied to get 40? In this you have to find out the required number. Let required number be x. 6 2 upon 9 multiply x is equal to 40. Then you are going to solve it. Question number 21, you have to express rupees using decimals, 6 rupees and 6 paise. Question number 22, arrange in descending order. First you will change these unlike decimals into like decimal, then you will arrange them in descending order. Question number 23, express in kilometer using decimals, 3 kilometer and 5 meter. First you will write the scale. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Then you will change them into decimals. Question number 24, simplify 63.7 minus 28.89 plus 76.4 minus 37.66. You can just arrange them You can just add them first and then you are going to subtract, so you will be able to simplify it. Question number 25. What is to be subtracted from 8.1 to get 0.83? As I have told you, from 8.1 it means a minute will be 8.1. So you are going to solve this question. Find the product. In this you are supposed to multiply this and then you have to place the decimals properly. Question number 27. 1 kg of milk has 0.264 kg of fat. How much fat is there in 12.5 kg of milk? In 1 kg of milk, 0.264 kg fat is there. How much fat is there in 12.5 kg of milk? You will do it by unitary method. In 1 kg of milk, fat is 0.264, and in 12.5 kg of milk, how much fat will be there? You are going to multiply them. Question number 28. Divide 0.196 divided by 1.4. Question number 29. Mr. Bose bought 15.5 liter of refined oil for rupees 1122 and 20 paisa. Find its cost per liter. You are going to divide it by unitary method. Find the average of 4.2, 7.4 and 8.8. What's the meaning of average? Average means sum of numbers upon total number. How many numbers are there? 3. So you are going to add these numbers and then you are going to divide these numbers by 3. So this is your maths assignment. So you just try to do your maths assignment neatly and properly in your copy. Thank you children. Take care of yourself.